There's a lot of different places that will automatically tag images with some kind of made with AI stamp. Even if that, like, you could have something that's entirely not AI, but if you use something like a little bit of generative fill, then now you got that stamp and everyone can see it, and it's misleading and it's kind of causing a problem. So how can you get rid of that? So I'll show you in this example. So I got this image. This is just some photo I found online, not AI. But if I wanted something as simple as removing this guy with generative fill, I will just go ahead and make one new generative fill layer. And when I go to export this, Photoshop automatically bakes in AI metadata with this image no matter what. You cannot exclude yourself from it. So even though, like, yes, technically this little bit was AI, that's a little misleading, so how can we get around that? To do it, it's actually not that hard. So I will unlock that layer, and essentially you just want to merge everything into one layer. It can be transparent, not whatever. So in my case, there is no transparency, but if you had something with transparency, that would be fine. But what we'll do is just hit Control A to select everything on the canvas, Control C to copy it. And what I'm going to do is go File, New, and so my image is this resolution, 3600 by 2400. So whatever your image is, just do that again. So you're going to essentially duplicate it. So we're going to go ahead and create. And now with a new document, I will make a new layer, and now Control Shift V to paste it. And so what you essentially did was copied all of the color information in this layer, nothing else, just color, every like pixel really, and paste it into a new layer. So now there is no metadata on this. This is essentially, might as well be considered a painting from Photoshop's perspective. So it's super easy. All you got to do is really just copy and paste, and now no AI metadata. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.